So hello guys, welcome to another video. In the previous videos we have learned two of Java 14 new features. Okay, in this video we are going to learn another new feature of Java 14, which is nothing but records. So let's start the video without wasting more time. Okay, here as you can see I have rearranged all the features for your better understanding. So these all are for developers, and below 7 features are only the tools and OS specific features, so no need to worry about that. We are going to discuss only above 5 features, okay, in this playlist, and I will try to include all these features also in upcoming videos. Okay, so as per our previous videos we have discussed switch expressions and pattern matching, and this video will be on records, okay, which is nothing but a preview. Okay, so first of all, let's start the programming part. After that I will make you understand about all the points about records. Okay, so here you can select a project, select Java project, say next. Yeah, here you can say Java 14 hyphen records. Okay, so here you have to select JDK 14, just say finish, don't create, no. Okay, fine, we got our project. Just select here and create a new package. I will take com.div.model, you can say. Okay, whatever you want. So first of all I want to say I will develop 3 classes. One will be using traditional approach, which is nothing but Pojo classes. Okay, second one will be using Lombok API, third one will be record. Okay, so we will see the difference. Developing all the classes, we will test each class and we will see which is better and which is best. Okay, so just click on class. Here we can say model, traditional, fine, say finish. Hey, don't be surprised, this is a normal Pojo class, okay, as we have used before. Here you can take two members. Okay, so I will take string first name and another one I will take string last name. Okay, just take these two as private. Okay, this one also as private. Yeah, just we have to take a constructor having two arguments. Okay, so here you can select source, generate constructor using fields. You can say after last name. Yeah, we got our constructor. Just delete this super call. Okay, so that's it. We have to generate getter setters. Here you can select getter setters, just tick this and say last member. Okay, so generate. Fine, we got our getter setter methods, we got our constructor. So that's it all about our traditional Pojo class. Okay, so here you can take another class. Here you can say model Lombok. Okay, this one will be based on Lombok. Yeah, but for using Lombok API features we have to add Lombok jar to our build path. So here configure build path, select class path, add external jar. Here you can select Lombok jar. Okay, so say apply and apply close. Okay, so just take the same variables here, private string, you can say first name, another one is private string last name. Okay, as same as previous one. So here we have not to take anything, just say getter @getter. Here you can say @setter, and next one you can say @toString. So yeah, next one you can say all args constructor. Okay, and here you can pass access equals to access label dot public. Okay, here I can say public. Yeah, that's it, just import all the packages. Yeah, fine, we got all our packages. Yeah, we have forgotten to take toString in our traditional class. Just say here source, you can say toString. Okay, last member generate. Okay, sorry, we have taken another constructor by mistake. Okay, so here, yeah, you can say again source, that's it, generate toString, Okay, selected, generate toString. Okay, so here is our toString in our traditional class also. So that's it. We will develop another model using our new record feature. Okay, so here you can take a record just below the package, you can see. Okay, just click it, you can say model record. Okay, so here you can see this message. It's saying that you have to enable the preview feature. Okay, so here just go to the properties, Java compiler, here just untick this enable preview feature. Okay, so here this one you can say ignore. Okay, yes, apply close. Okay, so preview features are enabled. Just take record again, so here you can say model record. Okay, now you can create a record. Okay, just say finish. So here as you can see we got our record class. I will not say this as a class, I will say it as a record only. Okay, so here you have to pass string first name comma string last name, you can say. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I know you will not believe me if I say like we have developed the record, okay, with all the features with just one line, because you can see the traditional one and you can see this Lombok one also, how lengthy this is. Okay, and you can see this traditional one page is covering, and this record is taking one line only. Okay, so let's take another class, another package. Okay, com.dib.test. In that you can take a class with main method, you can say test. Okay, just generate our own main method here. Yeah, that's it. We have to create objects for all classes. Okay, so here you can say model Lombok equals to, yeah, here you can say, yeah, equals to new model Lombok. Okay, and just pass two strings as constructor arguments. Okay, so here you can take any name, so I will take Mars comma lunar. Okay, yeah, we have created our model Lombok object. Okay, so next one will be model traditional. You can say here trad equals to new model traditional. Yeah, here also you have to pass two strings as first name and last name. Okay, here I will pass Saturn and Venus. Okay, just I am taking an example. Okay, so finally we have to create another object for our record. Okay, so here you can say as normal as. Okay, you can say model record equals to new model record. Okay, yeah, same as above ones, you have to pass two strings as argument. Okay, so here I will say first name will be C and last name will be Sore. Okay, so just import the class. Yeah, that's it. We got our three objects. Okay, so here I will try to print all these three objects. Okay, so here you can say traditional. Okay, traditional colon concat. Okay, so that's it. Just print a empty line. Okay, here again you can say Lombok colon, here you can say plus Lombok. Okay, so third one will be one empty space. Again you can print, you can say record colon plus record. Okay, so that's it. We can run the application now. Okay, just run the application. Let me show you. As you can see this output, all the three outputs are same. Okay, and even though we have not overridden any toString method or we have not did anything to show the output in record. Okay, this is the special thing and most beautiful thing about record. Okay, so you can see all these outputs are same. So you can say record is internally overriding or creating some methods for our use. Okay, so here you can say sysout Okay, sys out, just create an empty line, again sys out. You can use the methods here. Okay, record.c, all these methods are available here. I will select first name. Okay, yeah, so just again another one, record.last name. Yeah, again you can say sys out. So here let's check which class it's extending from. Okay, so here you can say get class dot get superclass. Okay, so next one I will print record dot hash code. Okay, yeah, you can see also, wait 1 minute, just let me show you. Record internally overrides equals method also. Okay, you can use this equals method. Okay, you can practice by your own also. Okay, so I will say your hash code, just run the program. You can see C is coming as first name, so as last name, and you can see here it's extending java.lang.record class. Okay, so here it prints the hash code. Okay, so that's all about record. Okay, so you can see using this one line only you can get these outputs. Okay, so here you can compare with Lombok. Okay, and also traditional approach of Pojo classes. Okay, I know everyone prefers Lombok API over Pojo classes because it's simple and everything can be done using annotations. Okay, but one demerit is there, you have to take support of external third-party APIs. Okay, you can say jars. So but this new feature of Java 14, which is nothing but records, is awesome and beautiful as per my knowledge. Okay, and you can say your own view on that. Okay, so that's it all about our record feature. Okay, this is a preview feature, maybe in upcoming updates they will provide this feature as a stable feature. So here I have marked some points. Okay, the class is marked as final. Okay, which means we cannot create a subclass of it. Okay, so you cannot create a subclass of records. Okay, yeah, but before going to second point, I want to show you something more internal about records by decompiling the class. Okay, so here you can select src, just go inside that model. Okay, here you can open command prompt, just a cmd. Okay, I have copied and command. Okay, for enabling preview feature. Okay, just copy it, then just open command prompt, paste this command here. Okay, so that our class will be compiled with enabling preview features. Okay, so just say here java p model record. Okay, so that's it, just enter. Yeah, here you can see we are having two string method here, hash code method here, one equals method here, and two extra methods which is nothing but first name and last name. Okay, here equals method taking object, so you can compare two records using this equals method also. Okay, so we have seen internals, so let's come back to the second point. The class extends java.lang.record class. Okay, which is the base class for all records, much like java.lang.enum is the base class for all enums. Okay, so I have already shown you the super class of our own record, which is nothing but java.lang.record. Okay, so this is all about second point. Let's move to the third point. There are two private final fields named after the two components of the record, which is nothing but first name and last name, as we have seen. So the fourth point is there is a public constructor that is generated for us. Okay, so yeah, we have taken another example. So by looking at its body, it's easy to see that it just assigns the two arguments to the two fields. Okay, so this point I have already shown you while working with the records. Okay, let me show you again, just you come here. Okay, so these arguments. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So last point is there are two getter methods named first name and last name. Yeah, with that three other methods are generated. One is toString method, another one is hash code method, and last one is equals method. Okay, they all rely on invoke dynamic to dynamically invoke the appreciate method containing the implicit implementation. Okay, so last thing to note, there is a bootstrap method which is nothing but object methods dot bootstrap that takes the component names of the record and its getter methods and generate the methods. Okay, so their behavior is consistent with what we would expect to have. Okay, so these all features are working internally to provide us a beautiful feature like record. Okay, so after this I can say we have completed another feature, okay, of Java 14. Yeah, after this two more Java 14 new features left. Okay, one is a helpful null pointer exception and another one is text blocks. Okay, so we will discuss all these in next videos. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel so that it will motivate me a lot and I will come with more and more videos. So thank you guys, happy coding.